But this a big rumor say Anthony Miller fish. You can't say that on TV there and big time something, but me can say that on my freedom platform on TikTok. Gazo! Response to Popcorn page.
Popcorn put up on iShowSpeed platform, and the first thing he addressed is the homosexual activities that he so-called see. Instead of highlighting other things about Jamaica, like how Jamaicans are not getting paid properly, they keep on getting put on contracts. The average Jamaican, first thing he addressed is the homosexual activities that he so-called see. Instead of highlighting other things about Jamaica, like how Jamaicans are not getting paid properly, they keep on getting put on contracts. The average Jamaican gets $10,000 a week. That's $100 in US. The politicians are extremely corrupt, where they come in and they allow anybody to get business and buy out the entire Jamaica countryside and city sides, and only benefits the white Americans. But homosexuality is the biggest issue in Jamaica since it has begun. My God, bro, I swear to God, bro. That's how artists sometimes piss me off, because you talk about nothing with sense.
Yo, you want to keep coming? Well, I know some of the guys, you know, they must say one, it must have been like the music and one dance, sorry. You folk, you want to see the comments towards this nigga here who is burning out Popcorn, who is burning out. Popcorn was burning out iShowSpeed and him quote-unquote homosexual behavior when you're sitting in a man lap. I'm going to endorse that as homosexual behavior. As a grown man sitting in another man's lap, even as a joke, that is a homosexual. No, I'm not saying burn out homosexuality. I not say it like Yaksta, you know. I'm not saying don't burn it out neither. I'm saying do whatever the fuck you want to do. But, same like how Big Cocky come from my life a while ago. That time I would just join a man who a TikTok named Big Cocky, and him said to me in a TikTok sitting say, invite. You know, it come from my screen. Big Cocky invites you to co-host. I'm not gonna co-host with Big Cocky because that sound like a fuck up name. With me and a man a par. Me don't want to par with a man when him so on TikTok. I don't mind think that. So but suppose me have a brethren who say, yo, what Big Cocky, yo, I'm Big Cocky, yo, I'm Big Cocky. Then him and Big Cocky I go and do for them thing, and me that someone else I do with me though. And that me depend. But Yaksta sing all tune about outside of me and say, no, what is what me can say on TikTok live. Yeah, that an entertainment report is a long-running magazine program on television Jamaica on Friday evenings. Me just give my drops right so because somehow no even give a fuck about that. I just TikTok on our pre. The Gen Z them. Yeah, also my big people them never bother with no TVJ and them thing again. But this a big rumor say Anthony Miller fish. You can't say that on TV there and big time something, but me can say that on my freedom platform on TikTok. And if Anthony Miller wants to say, no, so already, but then we'll figure out that. But what I just said was what a lot of people say Anthony Miller, a Batman. And Yaksta is now sitting on a Batman program talking about his music. What kind of Batman thing is that?
Run up! Roar! Bushland!